Yeah, this car has been having some problem of draining the battery, and I don't know what is going on. So now I'm going to use the multimeter. I'm going to use the multimeter to see whether it is something with the alternator or it is the battery. I can see like the battery is okay. It has 12.5 voltage, which is normal for a good battery. So I will test this one and then I'll start the car and see whether it is going to drain. If it is going to drain, definitely the alternator is not charging. And though I changed this alternator not long time ago, it was not a new one, it was a second hand, so it may be having some issues. So I have to check on that as well. But first of all, I'll start the car and see whether it is going to show me anything. Stop. Every moment with you is a gift. With you I feel uplifted. No matter where the journey takes us. In your love I find my trust. With you each day is a dream come true. With you my sky is always blue. You'll make my day complete. With every smile, with every beat. In your arms I'll find my peace. Now I'm inside the car. I would start the car and see whether the battery is going to maintain the voltage or it is going to drop. If it drops, then the alternator is not charging and automatically it needs to be changed. Every moment with you is a gift. With you I feel uplifted. You make my day complete. With every smile, with every beat. In your arms I find my peace. With you my world is so sweet. I can see the alternator is charging because it is showing 13.9. So maybe it is not the alternator's problem. So I have to diagnose more to know where the problem is exactly.